but people are this time of the year going, oh my gosh, my insurance, I need to use my insurance. And so we want to take advantage of that. And I don't mean that in a negative way. What I mean by that is if they're really motivated and wanting to use their insurance, this is a good time to get these patients in. These are patients who potentially have fallen off the bandwagon, who have disappeared, who just found out for some reason that they have insurance and they want to use it. It's a great opportunity for us to get them into the practice, but it's also can be sometimes a waste of time. These could be the patients that come in and they only want to take care of what hurts, or they only want to take care of, their cleaning. So we need to be smart about how we handle patients like this. Now, the number one thing I want you to do right now is write yourself a note for next year that if you are sending out your insurance reminders now, like at the end of the year, change it for 2019. Send your insurance reminders out in August or September. We know that August and September typically are our slower months. I think they call it Sucktember in some offices. Go ahead and remind your current patients now in August or September next year to try to get them in to use their insurance. Maybe put a note in there that says, our office gets busy in December and we want to make sure that we give you the time that you want and the hours that you want. So get in now to use your insurance. So write yourself a note. It's easy to do if you use RevenueWell or any of the reminder services to just set that reminder up earlier in the year. Don't wait until now when we know it's going to